Hey guys, so I've got this new hair dryer and I'm going to review it in this video. It's not a paid video. I just like to review products. I know this hair dryer for a very long time. They've done some improvements to the comb. They've sectioned this all round. The round part is more flexible, so it goes in and then this is what happens because of the sections. And I think they've done this to help the comb to attach well to the dryer. Once you turn on the dryer, it keeps coming off. It doesn't stay on. Maybe they have to make this section a bit more rough.
مدين تريد سلامات مدين مقال سلامات 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 سلام سلامات 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 سلام سلامات